If you have an old iPad with the home button, you might be wondering, can I update it to the latest iPadOS 16? Sometimes it says your iPadOS is up to date when it's not actually. No worries. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 methods to fix it and successfully install iPadOS 16 on your iPad. Let's get into it. Before the official version is rolled out, you can try out the public beta just now. Open Safari on your iPad. Visit beta.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Select iPadOS. Scroll down here. Tap Enroll your iPad. Achieve a backup if you want. Then tap on Download Profile. Tap Allow to confirm. Then close the pop-up. Now go to Settings. Under your account name, tap Profile Downloaded. Go ahead and install it. Restart your iPad when prompted. Then head to Settings, General, Software Update. Your iPad will start checking for update. Here we go. Now you can download and install iPadOS Public Beta on your iPad. When the official version is finally released, go to VPN and Device Management. Remove the Public Beta profile and restart your iPad. Then check for a new software update. If everything goes fine, you will see the firmware download option for the official version. If you still don't see the update, move on to our next method. Update iPad using iTunes. So open iTunes on your computer. Plug your iPad in. Once detected, click on the iPad icon right here. Hit the Check for Update button on the summary page. It says iTunes will update your iPad to iPadOS 16. Hit Update to confirm. After downloading the firmware, iTunes will start updating. This process takes about 10 minutes. Well done. Now you can go to Settings and check it out. See, we are on iPadOS 16 now. If iTunes is giving you errors, Reboot will be a nice alternative. The standard repair option will address the update issue, and then update your iPad to the latest version without any data loss. Download the firmware to a location at your choice. Then you can start repairing and updating. So that's it. Thanks for watching.